Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. First of all, introduce yourself.
My name is Apurva Vishwanath Karande. I live in Pune at Chennai. I have completed my graduation in KHS College in BCom field. Nowadays, I am working in dynamic sourcing as an accountant. Last
Okay.
4 years I
Okay. How long have you been working in this company?
from last 4 years.
Okay. And give me some information about your family members.
There are 5 family members in my family, including me. I have one younger brother and sisters. My father is a fabricator. My mother is a homemaker.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
My hobbies are dancing, reading holy books, watching YouTube videos, and creating something new.
Okay. And can you tell me some information about your strength and weakness?
Yes, means my weaknesses are I fear to dark, and my strength are I have positive attitude towards my life.
Okay. What do you want to become in your future?
I want to become belly dancer in my future.
Belly dancer. Okay. So Apurva, you have mentioned that you want to become belly dancer. So would you like to give me some information about belly dance? Because in India, we can't see such kind of dance, or I think that we don't have enough scope. Because maybe I'm not aware about this field. So would you like to give me some information about belly dance?
Yes, Egyptian belly dance and Oriental belly dance is a must form of belly dance.
Okay.
And in belly dance, it's flexible your body and isolate your body. It's one type of exercise,
Okay.
and it started in Western countries.
Right.
It started by some ladies who come
Okay.
together and they start this dance form.
Okay.
Firstly, it start by pregnant ladies. It's useful for pregnant ladies.
Mhm.
So on that time it start.
Okay. What's your company name?
Dynamic sourcing
Where is it?
in Deccan.
Deccan. And what are your office hours?
It's 9:10 to 5:30.
Okay, and what do you do in your company? Means I want to know what is the job profile.
I'm import accountant,
Okay.
and on that field I deal with foreign countries,
Okay.
and I import some material from that companies.
Okay.
So
Means basically your company is in import and export.
no, only import and
Only
trade.
import.
Yes.
Means what kind of material does your company import from other countries?
Firstly, in India, there is so many inks are not. We cannot still search those inks.
Okay.
There's silver conductive inks,
Okay.
and green masking, carbon conductive,
Mhm.
0.5 mm LED, which we are imported from Korea and Taiwan.
Okay. So you have been working in your company for 4 years, right?
Yes, sir.
So are you happy with your job?
Yes, I'm happy with my job.
So what are the things you learned while working in your company? Because you were in this field for 4 years, okay?
Yes, sir.
So what are the new things you learned in your company?
So firstly, I start my job when I study in college,
Okay.
and it's very helpful for me, because while studying, doing job is very important,
Right.
and it give lot of experience in our life for
Okay.
future. And when I start working in dynamic sourcing, on that time I don't have any idea about how I can deal with foreign countries and how can deal with customers.
Okay. That's it. Apurva, you have mentioned that okay, you want to be a belly dancer in the future.
Yes, sir.
And at present you work around whole day in your company.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to achieve your goal to be that belly dancer,
Yes.
so how can you manage the time if you are busy every day doing that work, or in your company you are do the work? So how can you achieve your goal in the future? What are your plans for that?
Yes. Sir, practice is must for
Okay.
achieving our goals.
Okay.
So when I'm working in dynamic sourcing, on that time, in the morning section or in the night section,
Okay.
I do practice for that.
Right. So have you joined any class for that?
Yes, I have joined.
So apart from dancing, what are your hobbies you have mentioned?
I like to read holy books.
Holy books. So how do you maintain this your hobby, or which books have you read?
Das book.
Okay.
I read that. And many others books I read.
Okay, so Apurva, tell me, where would you like to go in the Maharashtra and why? There are many famous places across the Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
So is there any favorite place of yours?
Yes, sir. In Pune, I like to visit historical places
Okay.
because Pune and Maharashtra have lot of historical stories related to that historical places.
Hmm.
So I like to go Shaniwarwada because when Peshwai started, on that time there is a lot of things happened in Shaniwarwada. So that's why I like to visit there.
So Apurva, we are going to discuss now on private sector versus government sector. Okay.
Yes,
If you see nowadays in society, so many students they want to join government sector.
yes.
So what are the difference between government sector and private sector? What do you think, and what is your opinion about those two sectors?
These two sectors are important
Okay.
because without these two, we cannot survive
Okay.
our country.
Okay.
In GDP.
Can you tell me advantages of government sector?
Yes, sir. A government sector is secure for a job. Job security is there,
Okay.
and so many people do study for a government job.
Okay.
And for government job, you have to give lot of exams, just like IPS, PSM.
Right.
You
MPSC,
have to
UPSC
give
and
this
banking exams.
Exam. You have to give this.
Okay.
But in private sector, there is a no security for a job.
Okay.
In government sector, those people are transfers
Right.
in different cities and
Okay.
states also.
Mhm.
So in private sector, we cannot. Those people are mostly not transfer their employees.
Can you tell me three advantages of government sector?
Yes, firstly means while marketing is up and down, there is
Right.
no effect on your salary when you do government job.
Okay.
And without profit loss and losses,
Right.
you are maintain your salary.
Okay.
Second, there is a job security in government sector. And third point is there is so many people working above you and under you.
Okay.
So you can manage your work process also.
Okay. Can you tell me three disadvantages of government sector? Disadvantages.
Yes, so in government sector there is a process for one program. There is a so lengthy process
Okay.
because so many people work in one office,
Right.
and people are not work
Properly.
properly
Okay.
and on time.
So this is the first disadvantage.
Yes.
Then can you tell me next disadvantage?
Yes, sir. That means in government sector, people are not punctual on their work.
Okay. What are the two advantages of private sector?
Private sector, you get updated post immediately,
Okay.
and the company trust on us,
Okay.
and they give post increment.
So you mean to say if we work properly in private
Yes.
sector, so
Yes.
there are chances to get promoted, we get incentives, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next advantage of private sector.
They are not transfer us,
Okay.
and secondly they check our qualification and experience also.
Can you tell me the recruitment process in government sector and private sector?
Yes. There is a means nowadays it's a similar
Okay.
both.
No, but I think
So-
in government sector, if you want to get that job,
Yes.
there is a lengthy process.
Yes.
But it doesn't happen in private sector.
Yes,
You
sir.
have to give only interview. So what do you think?
Yes. As per I said, process are same because means nowadays it's similar
Okay.
because government sector also give lot of opportunity to for youth and common people also, and private sector nowadays they also started these things.
Right. Okay.
And in government sector you have to means you have to higher post, so you have to give exam for that.
Okay.
And in a private sector also, when you want to achieve your higher post, so you have to give lot of exams.
Okay, how can you compare the pressure when working in government sector versus working in private sector? What do you think, or how can you compare pressure?
In government sector, means there is a space. They are not give specific time or period for some work.
Okay.
They give reasons all the time.
Mhm.
And
And what about the private sector?
private sector, they set their goals and their means whatever they are decided. They want to do in particular time
Okay.
because there is lot of work pending, so they want to complete those work. And HR manager,
Mhm.
the pressure means they motivate their employees also.
Right. Okay.
So, but in government sector, people are not do these things.
What is your preference? Which field or which sector would you like to join if you get chance in the future? Government sector or private sector, and why?
I use private sector
Why?
because in private sector we can change our job
Okay.
and we get lot of experience,
Okay.
and after that we start up our own business also.
Okay.
But in government sector, when we work in one place,
Mhm.
we have to set our routine in that work. We cannot do other things. But in private sector, we change our postage changes, so that's why we can
Okay.
update.
So, what is your opinion about joint family versus nuclear family?
So nowadays both our families
Okay.
live in this condition.
So, Apurva, tell me what are the advantages of joint family?
Advantages in joint family, there is one person
Hmm.
who can take care of a child,
Okay.
and when the both partners are working,
Okay.
so there is one person who take care of the child.
Okay. So, you mean to say, suppose there are three brothers, okay, who live in one family,
Yes.
and those brothers are working in the company, and their wives also work in the company. So, if they have children, so they can keep their children with their grandparents. Okay, this is the first advantage.
Yes.
What is the next advantage? What do you think?
You can share your thoughts,
Okay.
or you can cross check your thoughts. It
Okay.
is right or it is wrong. So
Okay.
you can cross check that. You can share your feelings with your grandparents.
Okay. Or if they want to take any decision, so they can discuss with each other, and it will be easy for them. What is the third advantage?
Our grandparents, they all the time share their thoughts and experience
Right.
with us,
Okay.
and they all the time tell story to that child.
Okay.
So it's very important in our life.
Okay.
When we heard something from someone, it's
Okay.
motivate us, and we can thought on that.
So you mean to say if you have grandparents in your home, okay?
Yes.
So their experience will be helpful to take decision in
Yes.
our life.
Yes.
Okay. What are the disadvantages of joint family?
Means when we live in joint family, on that time quarrels also happen
Okay.
most
Why?
of the time, because people, they are not match their thoughts with each other.
Okay.
That's why.
So you mean to say, suppose there are 2 or 3 brothers in a joint family, okay, and suppose they want to take one decision, but every person has its own thought process.
Yes.
So that time it is difficult to take decision, and because of that quarrels happen. So this is the disadvantage.
Yes.
Okay. So their thoughts don't match with each other,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. Next disadvantage.
Yes. In joint family, life surviving is most difficult, because suppose 2 people are earn money
Right.
and live 5 to 6 people live together.
Okay.
On that time, it's difficult to survive.
Right. Because that 2 people or 2 persons, okay, have to bear the entire expenses of that family.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Secondly, when you live with joint family, you sacrifice your goals and
Ambitions.
also ambitions.
Okay.
And
So.
because of you have to means earn money for your family also.
Okay. Means you mean to say there are some restrictions, okay, by the people.
Yes.
So we can't achieve our goal, or we can't complete our ambitions in joint family.
Sometimes.
Sometimes it happens.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, what are the 3 advantages of nuclear family? What do you think? Nuclear family.
Yes. In nuclear family, there is no one who burden
Okay.
and who can give burden on us.
Okay.
We can take our
Means we have
decision.
freedom to take decision.
Yes,
Okay.
of course. In nuclear family, there is you decide with your only parents.
Okay. But don't you think so? Whenever even we have freedom, okay, to take decision, and that time we don't need to ask or we don't need to take permission from our anyone. Okay.
Yes.
But sometimes if we take decision, so it may harm our future or goal. So don't you think so? What do you think?
Every experience gives us one chapter in our life
Okay.
and give experience us. So it's important. If suppose we are doing something wrong, or
Mhm.
next time we do not do these things, or
Mhm.
we will not do these things. We try to do something else.
Hmm.
So negative things also give positive experience in our life.
Okay. What is the advantage of nuclear? Second advantage of nuclear family.
There is a freedom for everything.
Right. For
Uh,
example.
In education also,
Okay.
and our marriage also,
Okay.
and there is a no one who all the time burden on our head, do this, do
Okay.
this.
But see, we in India or in Maharashtra we celebrate many festivals.
Yes.
So do you think that can we celebrate festival only with our partner? Because we live in a society, and whenever we have festival, so we must have our people with us.
Yes, sir.
So don't you think from this perspective? Because when we live in nuclear family, we can't take such or we can't live such kind of moments with our family.
Yes,
So this
sir,
is the
it's-
drawback.
Yes, sir, this is a drawback.
Okay.
But some people have their own condition, because when you live in city and your family live in village, so you have to come here because of job and everything. You cannot bring your family here.
Okay.
So this is condition.
Right. Apurva, tell me, what are the disadvantages of nuclear family? What do you think?
Say nuclear family, there is no one.
Okay.
We can take decision with the help of that person.
Okay.
In nuclear family, children attract with bad habits immediately.
Okay.
And when the both partners are working in a company, on that time child is suffer, and they have to take their child in daycare center. It's a drawback of nuclear family.
Okay. Is there any another drawback of nuclear family?
Yes, we cannot take decision with the help of, means sometimes decision are risky,
Okay.
so there is no one who can tell us.
Okay. So Apurva, tell me, what is your experience about this academy?
So firstly, I cannot speak in English very well with the help of grammar basically.
Okay.
I used to talk in English but without grammar, and there is a lot of mistake happen by me.
Okay.
So nowadays when I learn from you, so I can speak fluently and I increase my vocabulary also, and it's very helpful for me in my life. So I can, when I deal with other countries, on that time I use very well grammar also, and I avoid grammatical mistakes because of Speak Fast Academy.
Okay. Thank you, Apurva.